Are you tired of throwing your hard-earned money down the drain on expensive skincare products that promise miracles but deliver nothing? I'm talking about those $100 creams that claim to turn back time, those serums that cost more than your monthly grocery bill, and those fancy treatments that leave your skin worse than when you started. Stop right there. What if I told you that the most powerful anti-aging skin-healing remedy is probably sitting in your kitchen right now, costing less than $5, and it's been used for thousands of years by women who had naturally glowing, youthful skin? Stay with me until the end, because I'll reveal exactly how you can use this ancient secret for radiant, healthy skin at home. And trust me, the beauty industry doesn't want you to know about this. Let me tell you something that will shock you. The global skincare industry is worth over $180 billion, and they're making that money by selling you hope in a jar while filling those jars with harsh chemicals that actually damage your skin in the long run. Yes, you heard that right. Most expensive skincare products contain synthetic ingredients that strip your skin's natural barrier, create dependency, and sometimes cause more harm than good. Have you ever wondered why your skin gets worse when you stop using that expensive cream? It's because these products are designed to create addiction. They contain ingredients like sulfates, parabens, synthetic fragrances, and alcohol that initially give you quick results by forcing your skin to react, but over time, they disrupt your skin's natural healing process. Your skin becomes dependent on these artificial stimulants, and without them, it looks dull, dry, and aged. And let's talk about those promises. Reduce wrinkles in 7 days. Turn back the clock. Fountain of youth in a bottle. These are marketing tricks designed to prey on your insecurities and empty your wallet. The truth is, most of these products show minimal results in clinical trials, and even when they do work, the effects disappear the moment you stop using them. You're not investing in your skin. You're renting temporary improvements while potentially damaging your skin's natural ability to heal and regenerate itself. But here's what really makes me angry. These companies spend more money on marketing and fancy packaging than on the actual ingredients that could benefit your skin. That beautiful glass jar with gold accents? That's where most of your money went, not into researching effective ingredients or creating a product that actually works. Now, let me share with you a secret that has been hiding in plain sight for over 4,000 years. I'm talking about raw, unprocessed honey. Not the processed honey you find in squeeze bottles at the grocery store, but real, raw honey, straight from the hive. This isn't just any sweet treat. This is liquid gold for your skin, and ancient civilizations knew its power long before modern science proved them right. Cleopatra, known as one of the most beautiful women in history, used honey as her primary skincare ingredient. Ancient Egyptian queens would bathe in milk and honey, not because it was trendy, but because it worked. Traditional Chinese medicine has used honey for skin healing for millennia, and Ayurvedic practices have always recognized honey as a powerful anti-aging ingredient. But here's where it gets fascinating. Modern science has finally caught up with ancient wisdom, and the research on honey's skincare benefits is absolutely mind-blowing. Raw honey contains over 180 beneficial compounds, including enzymes, amino acids, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It has natural antibacterial properties thanks to an enzyme called glucose oxidase, which produces hydrogen peroxide when honey comes into contact with your skin. This means honey naturally fights acne-causing bacteria while being gentle enough for the most sensitive skin. The antioxidants in honey, particularly flavonoids and phenolic acids, fight free radical damage that causes premature aging. Unlike expensive anti-aging creams that promise to boost collagen production, honey actually provides your skin with the building blocks it needs to produce collagen naturally. It contains alpha-hydroxy acids that gently exfoliate dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin underneath without the harsh irritation of chemical peels. And here's the best part. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it draws moisture from the air and locks it into your skin. This provides deep, lasting hydration that doesn't wash away or wear off. Your skin learns to maintain its moisture balance naturally, unlike synthetic moisturizers that create dependency. Have you ever wasted money on a cream that didn't work? I want you to comment below and tell me about your worst skincare purchase. Share this video with someone who needs to stop throwing money away on expensive products that don't deliver results. Now I'm going to teach you exactly how to harness this natural powerhouse for incredible skin transformation. This is so simple yet so effective that you'll wonder why you ever bought expensive skincare products in the first place. First, you need to get the right type of honey. Look for raw, unfiltered, unpasteurized honey. You can find this at health food stores, farmers markets, or online. Manuka honey is exceptional if you can afford it, but any raw honey will work wonders. Avoid regular grocery store honey as it's been processed and has lost most of its beneficial properties. Here's your step-by-step honey skincare routine that will replace your entire expensive regimen. Start with clean hands and a clean face. Remove any makeup with a gentle, natural oil like coconut oil or olive oil. Now, take about 1 teaspoon of raw honey and warm it slightly between your palms. The warmth will make it easier to spread and will activate the enzymes. Gently massage the honey onto your face using upward circular motions. Don't rush this step. The massage stimulates blood circulation while the honey begins working its magic on your skin. Pay extra attention to areas with fine lines, acne, or dark spots. The honey will feel sticky at first, but that's exactly what you want. Leave the honey on your face for 15 to 20 minutes. This is your relaxation time. The honey is working as a deep treatment, drawing out impurities, delivering nutrients, and providing intense hydration. You'll feel your skin getting softer and more supple as the minutes pass. Rinse with lukewarm water, gently massaging as you remove the honey. You'll immediately notice how soft and glowing your skin looks. For even better results, finish with a light application of pure aloe vera gel or a few drops of jojoba oil. Do this treatment 3 times a week, and within 2 weeks, you'll see a transformation that expensive creams promised but never delivered. Your skin will be clearer, more radiant, firmer, and naturally hydrated. Fine lines will soften, acne will clear up, and you'll have that natural glow that no amount of makeup can replicate. For stubborn acne or dark spots, you can create a more powerful treatment by mixing your raw honey with a pinch of turmeric powder. Turmeric has been used in Indian skincare for centuries and has powerful anti-inflammatory and brightening properties. This combination is like having a professional facial treatment at home for the cost of a cup of coffee. Can you believe that something so simple and affordable can outperform products that cost hundreds of dollars? The beauty industry has spent billions convincing you that effective skincare has to be complicated and expensive. But nature has already provided us with everything we need for beautiful, healthy skin. Think about it. Our ancestors had naturally glowing skin without access to modern cosmetics. They used what nature provided, and their skin was healthier and more resilient than what we see today. We've been conditioned to believe that more expensive means better, but when it comes to skincare, the opposite is often true. Now you know a secret that cosmetic companies don't want you to discover. They can't patent honey, they can't mark it up by 1,000%, and they can't create dependency on it. That's why they'll never tell you about this natural miracle that's been proven effective for thousands of years. Your skin deserves better than harsh chemicals and empty promises. It deserves the gentle, powerful healing that only nature can provide. Raw honey doesn't just cover up problems like expensive makeup and foundation, it actually heals and improves your skin from the inside out. If this video opened your eyes to the truth about natural skincare, hit that like button right now. Subscribe to this channel because I'm revealing more ancient skincare secrets that the beauty industry desperately wants to keep hidden. Next week, I'm sharing another kitchen ingredient that's more effective than retinol for anti-aging, and it costs less than $3. You won't want to miss that revelation. Comment below and tell me, are you ready to ditch expensive skincare and embrace the power of natural ingredients? Share this video with everyone you care about because they deserve to know the truth about achieving naturally beautiful skin without breaking the bank. Your skin transformation starts today, and honey is just the beginning of your journey to natural, radiant beauty that lasts. See you on the next video. Bye.